Hello, I'm Mandeep Singh, founder of Mandeeps.com. In this video, we'll be working with shortcodes and components of our DNN Skin. What we have here is a new DNN site to which we have applied the included portal template. You can refer to the portal template video for step-by-step instructions on skin installation and how to use the portal template. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and log in as a host or super user here. And then what we're going to do is basically see how we can use these shortcodes. So we'll start with the accordion. Here's our accordion. We want to go ahead and see how do we go ahead and use this in your website. So it's actually pretty easy. All you really have to do is copy this shortcode right here. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then I'm going to go to our About Us page here. And what I'll do is go ahead and edit the page. What we do is add an HTML module to the page. Drag this down up here, and go ahead and add content. Switch to the HTML tab. Paste what I just copied, the shortcode. Hit save, and we're done. There's our coding right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the code one more time. Just kind of understand. So we have a div right here, basically, which is telling that we're going to have our accordion here, and the H5 becomes the header, which we see right here. Anything that goes in the H5 right here becomes the header. This basically right here just indicates that we have to use an icon. Anything that goes in this div right here, this part, becomes the body. I'm going to click if it's visible. See right here. So that's really it. If you wanted to add multiple nodes, like I have 4 nodes, all I would do is duplicate this underneath, and then I will have more nodes. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other stuff. Let's take a look at the icon boxes. We have the icon boxes here. We need to copy this code as well, and move over to our About Us page. And go ahead and edit this again. I already have the HTML modules in place here, so I have to keep repeating myself. Go ahead with content, HTML tab, and paste it in. I'll save that as well. And we see our icon boxes. So if we go back to our icon boxes page, we have a map that is not available here in the portal template, but it's available on our demo site. So let me just jump over to the demo site and double click. Here's our demo site, and if I go to the shortcodes and icon boxes, I see there's a map available right here. So I can go ahead and use any of these icons just by using the corresponding letter or the character. So let's say if I wanted to use a heart, all I have to do is use letter E. I'm going to switch back here and go back to my page where I was pasting it right here. I'm going to go ahead and edit the page. I'm going to go ahead and change the star to a heart. I'm going to hit edit content, go back to my HTML, and I see that here under the div cost icon, I see a little star being used, a 0 being used here, an S being used here, and that's where you would change it correctly. So just change this to E, and then go ahead and hit save, and it should change into a heart. There we go. Alright, let's take a look at the tabs next. Tabs work in the same fashion as the accordion did. So let's go back to the shortcode tags. Here it is. So we'll go ahead and copy it. And we'll go back to our page. Go back to edit mode. And we're going to go ahead and create a content and paste it in. And save. Here's our tabs right there. Tab 0, tab 2, and so forth. So they work just the same way as the accordion does. So here's one more thing that we can do with tabs. If we go to edit content, switch to HTML, change the type 1 to type 2, and we have vertical tabs. There we go. And this is again illustrated in the shortcode itself. So if you see the code from horizontal tabs to vertical tabs, the only difference is tab 2 here. And all we really have to do is copy the code, paste it in, and we have a working model to go ahead and create your page. Alright, let's look at some of the components as well now. The components, we have things like feature codes and block codes, which is a carousel item that you can scroll between. We also have gallery right here. Of course, you'll have your own images. If you jump over to the demo portal or demo site, you can see the images in the gallery right here. And let's see, we also have videos. And they're done in exactly the same way. So let me jump back to my local portal template, and let me show you something. So I go to the gallery. Let's go back to our About Us page, and we can see I have the carousel or the blog post right here. So let me just go ahead and edit this page really quick and show you that it's no different but just HTML that was copied and pasted, and we got that HTML code, that component, from the featured works and blog posts. So just copy of this right here. That's how it goes. And same thing for video. If you want a video, you would just copy this code right here, and this is a YouTube video. So you would want to go ahead and change the link right here to your video link, just the first part right here. Everything else remains the same. And we also have examples of the link here. You could do the same thing. Just change the link right here. Everything else remains the same. So it's really that easy to use shortcodes and components. So if you have any questions or concerns, anything we didn't address, please put your support to get into the process. Thank you so much for watching the video.